Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your appointment with Calendly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your appointment in Calendly, log in to your Calendly account. Navigate to your scheduled events by clicking on the Event Types tab. Select the event you wish to transfer. Click on the event to open its details. Locate the Invitees section within the event details. Find the invitee whose appointment you want to transfer. Click on their name to open their invitee profile. Within the invitee profile, look for the Reschedule option. Click on Reschedule to start the process. A calendar will appear, allowing you to choose a new date and time. Select your preferred date and time for the appointment. Once you've made your selection, click on Confirm Reschedule. An email notification will be sent to the invitee about the change. If needed, you can add a message to the invitee before confirming. After confirming, the invitee will receive the updated appointment details. Ensure that the new time works for both you and the invitee. If you encounter any issues, check your calendar for conflicts. You have now successfully transferred your appointment using Calendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.